morning, everybody. It is 7:28. I've been up for about an hour. Charlotte woke me up around 4 o'clock this morning. I finally got her to go to sleep at like around 9:30ish last night, which I think I've noticed if I put her to bed late, she sleeps all night long. So I got her to bed around like 9:30 maybe. Everybody else was in bed, so I'm like, okay, I'm just gonna upload my video, get it ready, and then I'll just hang out with Miss Charlotte. So she slept until like 4 o'clock this morning, and she started crying, and I was gonna go check on her, but she ended up like stopped crying, and I stood by her door. I was just like, yeah, you stayed asleep. Yeah. Oh, Ben had a good dream. Oh, okay. So she woke up crying. I just stood by her door and I was just like ready to fall back asleep, and then she stopped crying. So then I'm like, okay, I'm gonna go back to bed, and if she cries tomorrow, I'll go get her. But she didn't. So then around 6:30 I woke up and I'm like, okay, she is not up yet. Like, what is up with this? I'm not used to this. So I'm like, I'm gonna try to go back to sleep, and I just couldn't. And then like, I swear, like 5 minutes later she woke up. So we just hung out. She just came and laid down in bed with me, and we just hung out and talked and played and stuff. So she's okay, Benjamin. I understand what you're saying. Just relax, kid. Yeah, so I'm gonna let you guys go. Hey guys, so the time is 11:02. I got dressed and walked out the door and left Grandma with the kids, and I went to the grocery store. Didn't even bring my camera. I'm like, I just gotta get out of here. So I got to jam out to my favorite bands in the van. But my cat is hawking up along because that's what she does. But yeah, so I went grocery shopping, and I was only trying to find yeast and bread flour, but I ended up spending a lot more than that. But they still didn't have any yeast. I'm like, why is it so hard to find yeast anywhere? So it's starting to rain. I gotta get something out of the outside. But I got a giant bag of bread flour because then it's starting to rain outside. His clothes outside. Clothes from outside getting wet. But yeah, so I got a big 5 or 10 pound bag of bread flour. So I hope to make a couple things with that, but I still need to find yeast. I found organic yeast. Now it says that I need dry active yeast. And this I got organic instant yeast. Will you guys let me know if this would work? I have no idea. I've never used yeast before. But I found something cool that I'm excited to try. I got Yoplait smoothie tricks. Like, let's just try it. I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna open it up and try it. So give me 1 second. Okay, so I opened it up. I haven't smelled it. It smells like Fruity Pebbles. If you guys ever smelled Fruity Pebbles. I like it. It tastes like I'm drinking Fruity Pebbles. I like this. This is pretty good. I don't know how bad it is. 160 calories. Whatever. This is a new favorite drink for me. And they had some other ones, so I'm going to try those too. But this is good. Okay, you guys, so my library just recently opened up on Friday, and they're not letting you go in, but what you do is you go to the program where you can like hold movies or request movies or books or whatever in the area, and Ben's been asking to watch certain movies, and some of them are not available for streaming. And so what you do is you just go to your thing, put them on hold, and then I sent them an email saying, hey, you know, I'll pick them up whenever. So then I ordered it probably like less than an hour ago. She called me. She's like, you just come and pick them up. So then I just go to the entrance of the library, and they're sitting right there, and I just grab them. So that is what we're gonna do right now, is we are going to the library to get a couple movies that I've been wanting to watch. So we're gonna do that. It is raining like crazy, but you know, that's all fine. Ben's not wearing pants because why not? You know, he's not wearing pants because he always likes to be in his underwear. So we are backing out of the driveway, and then we might get some lunch while we're out and about because the library's near Rocky Rococo's. But other than that, it's a crappy day. I know you like Rocky Rococo's. We're gonna shut the garage door. So we will see you guys in a little bit after we get our food. And what are we getting again?
The library.
The library, okay. Hey guys, so I haven't been vlogging very much because I don't know, I'm just in that mood where I don't want to do anything. I don't know if it just led up from last night, but you know, I hated that Ben's a picky eater, and I've been working on, you know, having him sit at the kitchen table with us, but I know it'll take a while before I can get him to eat like normal foods, but I just want him to try it. But it is 6:19. I just been kind of just bumming around. I've been working on my wreath, hanging out with the kids. I've been watching movies. I finished watching My Girl 2. I was watching that last night and I finished that. And then I was watching The Babysitter's Club, and now I'm watching Batteries Not Included. So there is that. My place just got to be picked up. Like both Charlotte keeps taking all my movies off the shelf, and then Ben's moving the furniture around, so I got to put all that stuff back. But I just made myself a chocolate shake because I don't know, I need something to pick me up. So we got that. I made macaroni and cheese, so I'm gonna have some leftovers of that. Hopefully it tastes good, warmed up. Paris is like on a countertop when she's not supposed to be. So yeah. So I'm gonna finish feeding Miss Darlet, and then I'll check back you guys in a little bit. Right, Miss Paris? Yes. Okay, you guys, it is 9:02. I am like hot. I haven't even done anything, and I'm like hot. Ben is upstairs, almost ready to fall asleep. Charlotte, I'm gonna get her ready for bed right now. Mama. Give me a second. She's like, I want to be on camera, Mom. But yeah, I just had like just a nice relaxing day. I just was not feeling it. I was very angry this morning when I woke up. I pretty much like, Graham, get dressed, and I walked out the door and I went grocery shopping. I pretty much was like just so pissed off I just had to get out of here. So there is that. But Miss Grumpy Pants wants to go to sleep, so we're gonna get her ready for bed. But hopefully I'll have a better productive day. Today I'm just picking up things here and there. I'm talking to my camera. I'm just picking up things here and there, but I plan on having the floor 100% clean before Graham gets home. So say goodnight, say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.